Step out.
We're gonna clear the house and we'll come back. We're gonna clear the house.
Okay, so
place your hands right here.
with that. I just came out with
Okay,
that.
all right.
Fuck your mother. Fuck your mother. You punk fuckers. That's all right. That's all right.
People look up to
Suck my suck my suck my
Sheriff's Office eviction.
While serving the warrant, officers learned from the property manager that the unit was up for eviction, so they decided to proceed with the eviction too.
Is there anybody else in the house?
No.
I need you to step out, sir.
Okay. You give me my.
Step out.
So I can't get my drawers on?
Step out.
Yeah, for what?
Step out.
We're gonna clear the house and we'll come back. We're gonna clear the house. And we'll
Okay,
close
so
up.
that's fine.
Sheriff's Office eviction. Anybody in here? I got a closet to the left.
Gotcha. Sheriff's Office goes to the room.
Hold what you got, Johnson.
Gotcha. Sheriff's Office. All right.
See my firefly, Johnson? Coming out. Sheriff's Office eviction.
Watch yourself, watch yourself.
You know
Got
who
that
it is,
thought?
yeah? All right. Yeah, I already said it. So you already know who this is, really. All right, but yeah, he's famous. But yeah. Is he?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's still active, but
No, they just said they was just talking about he got arrested. When he said he was out.
he got arrested somewhere else. I know he did, but all right, sir. You can come on in.
Yeah, all right.
You can get cash, medication. Before you go for anything, let me know exactly where you're going. Yeah.
My diabetes medicine. Let's see.
Are there any weapons in the house?
No.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. Hold on. What the fuck is my phone? Let me put on my shorts.
Yeah.
So I can call the truck now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Where's it at? It's over here. I get it.
Okay.
You smell my dog.
Alright. Let's see. What else?
Any large sums of money or anything?
No, nothing like that. I just had my phone, right? They must have took my phone.
No, it's sitting right here.
Okay. Where?
Right underneath the pillow.
Go for it.
Okay, beautiful. Alright, cool. Alright, so this, look at my socks, sneakers, I'm good. Do that with that.
Well, we'll
So
see.
what are we gonna do?
They usually will do that. The crew
They're
will
not gonna
take
be able to do
everything.
that.
Yeah.
Right, but how are they going to, can you ask them?
They could probably have bags and stuff.
That's
like
what I need to know.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah.
Do they got the bags?
They should have everything, yes. And if not, we'll let them know. So.
Yeah, let's make sure now.
No, I
They
got
can't
you.
just- okay,
Yeah.
all right.
We ain't gonna make sure all your property good, man.
Got you.
You got a shirt?
That's what I'm trying to find my damn shirt.
Just grab one.
Gotcha. Here we go. Come on, Pablo.
Any essentials you need to grab out of here as far as medications and stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah, they can't. So now, as far as the clothes, right?
Yep.
As far as everything, what are they gonna do with, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't want them fucking up my shit. Now.
I ain't gonna mess it up.
Step outside and what's up?
Okay, cool.
You got medication?
Yeah. So
You
what?
need leash for your dog?
Huh?
You need leash for your dog?
No, I don't. But what are they gonna, as far as doing like my clothes?
Everything's gonna come out of this apartment.
Man, we already know that. I'm saying, how are they taking my clothes out?
However they can get it out of the apartment.
Right, I'm saying, but do they have bags and boxes?
I can't answer that. I'm not part of the moving crew.
You got what?
I'm not part of the moving crew.
Okay,
They're
right.
gonna
So
get
come
it
on,
out however they can get it out.
Despite the eviction, officers discovered that the young woman at the gym didn't want to press charges. However, they still proceeded to charge him with assault.
Alright, who got the ID?
I have it right here.
Right, how long? Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right, sir. So go ahead, place your hands right here.
What's this for?
You have an active warrant
For what?
in Cobb County.
I just got out of jail with that. I just came out with
Okay.
that.
All right. Well, they still confirmed it. Go
What
ahead,
you
place
mean?
your hands behind your back.
What's the warrant for?
We'll go over that as soon as I have it. All right.
I just came out of jail with that. I have the papers. You want to see the
All right,
paper?
hold on.
I just got out of jail for that.
Okay.
Don't arrest me. Don't listen.
All right.
If you arrest me fucking for property, I'll sue your motherfucking
Okay.
ass.
Okay.
All right. I just got got out of jail 3 days ago.
Okay.
All right. For the same warrant. Let me show my papers are
Okay.
right there.
All right.
Get the papers out of there.
I got you. I
Get
got
the
you.
papers out of there. I got you. Chill out. No, so I just got out of jail for this shit.
Camera.
Good morning.
You reach out to myself.
I just got it. I don't know what look in the top drawer. I just came out of jail 3 days ago. For the same warrant. For the same warrant. Just got out of jail. It's a driving warrant in February.
Let me tell you what's going on. Let me find out what's going on.
It's the top right there. Shit. He's asking me something. What am I
Oh,
talking
there
about?
it okay. Tell everything is going.
You telling me,
Where
Charlie?
was
Telling
the
me
Where was the license? Oh, okay.
Listen, it's a driving warrant in February.
Okay. We're confirming with
This
SOM.
COVID stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man, you guys are.
You got something else?
Chill out, man. We're gonna find out what's going on. If it's not good, we'll let you out of handcuffs. Relax.
All right.
Come on, let us do our. Okay? Because we're here for something. We're not even here for you. We're over here for something totally different.
Yeah, but this
okay?
is already. I just got out of jail for the same warrant.
Where were you in jail at?
Cobb County was in Gwinnett, right? And then they had a hold on me in Cobb County. They took me to Cobb. I bailed out. I'm on bail in Cobb County right now.
Okay.
You got paperwork because this COVID stuff.
Paperwork's around here somewhere. I just got out. They had the hold on me. I
Where'd you
got
get
bail
out
for
of
$120, huh?
Where'd you get out of jail at?
Can you call my girl? She give you all information.
I gave you a legitimate question. Where did you just get out of jail at? What
Cobb County.
Okay, so you got
License
two
right
days.
here.
But you know, I don't know your real name. I know